Hi and welcome back to day 54 of 100 social media tips. Here's how simple it is to add text on your videos on Instagram. Okay, so maybe we are recording directly on our phone, talking to the camera, and we want to add text here. And then we also want to add a text here as we are talking. Let's break it down to show you how easy it is to do this. Okay, first what I'm going to do is actually fix that bit where I was talking and edit out that part that I messed up just so that it makes sense. So what I'm going to do is play it through to know where I want the start and end clip to finish. This is around here. I'm going to click split and then delete this section, discard. So then now here it's seamless. You can do this a few different ways, but the easiest way to do so is if our screen just looks like this, we tap this A icon and then type in the text that we want to put in. So how to add text on videos here. And then I can just adjust what font I want to pick, or if I want it to have a background or no background or just outlined. And then I'm just choose a color. So let me just pick pink. Actually, you know what? This isn't even my brand colors. I want to add my own custom color. That is the color that I like to use specifically for my videos. And then we're going to tap that again and say put text here for next part. We can again adjust how big it is with 2 fingers, making it bigger or smaller if I want an angle. Honestly, it's best to just have it here. What you want to keep in mind is when you have text on screen, when you're pressing and holding and hovering over, you can see this yellow bar on the left side or this yellow bar here. You do not want to put your text in that section. When you post your video, it will crop in, so those parts will get cut out. You won't see the rest and it just doesn't make sense. And the same goes if you put your text in these sections where your username handle, your caption, the description, or the like bar, or even up here with the Instagram interface with the reels or camera icon, it's just going to be distracting and not grab your audience attention. So I recommend put it a bit further up higher so that our text won't be covering up any important parts or be blocked by anything specifically from Instagram. So it's just best to just have it in these sections here so that you make sure it's not being covered by anything that will be distracting and won't grab your audience attention. Now we want to have it where the text appears and disappears on the screen while we're talking. On the bottom here, you will see the text that you added onto your video into its separate bubbles. Let me just grab this first one here, and then you can see that it's all the way through the timeline. You can just drag this section here to however long you want it to stay on screen. So let's just say where my finger's still pointing disappears here. And then same with here, I don't want it to start at the very beginning. I want it to come in when I'm pointing. So let's start it here. You can even go closer in if you want to see frame by frame specifically. So you just zoom in to expand it as close as possible. And then you can just, again, adjust it accordingly. So let's do there, and then let's just move it there. And then there we go. So if I play my video, okay, so maybe we are recording directly on our phone, talking to the camera, and we want to add text here. And then we also want to add a text here as we are talking. Let's break it down to show you how easy it is to do this. Okay, so that's it. Like always, keep creating, keep experimenting, and I'll catch you in the next video.